well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, joining me now for the very first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. If you guys are new or you haven't seen, I do have a little series on my channel where I get somebody else to do my Lush haul for me, whether that be my boyfriend, you guys, my best friends. I like to get other people to do my Lush hauls for me. I just find it very interesting, very exciting to open it. It's kind of like another subscription box. So if you guys are fans of Lush, definitely get you and your bestie to do this or something, because honestly it is so incredibly fun. Anyway, I ramble on, but today's video is another segment of that series, and I actually got a Lush employee to do my Lush haul. I popped in to one of my local Lush stores the other week and I said, look, I film YouTube videos and I want you to do my Lush haul for me. I want to spend £20. Can you just go around and pick up some items which you think I would like based on knowing me for like 30 seconds for £20? And she was really excited about it. So thank you to the lovely assistant. I don't know what your name was. I'm really sorry. She had beautiful red hair and I was very jealous of it. So anyway, thank you so much if you're watching. But anyway, we're going to dive in. I've got 4 items in this bag, so I'm so excited to go through it with you guys. I have not peeked or smelt or anything like that. They're all wrapped up in bags with no labels on, so I cannot see what's inside. So without further ado, we're going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to put my hand in the bag and just pull one thing out at a time. So the first bag is this one. So she's wrapped it all up and it feels like a pot, so I'm very excited to open this. What could it be? I hope it's not a fresh face mask because I haven't had this in the fridge. So we could have a mouldy face mask on our hands, but let's pull it out and see. Okay, are you ready? Okay, this is a classic. This is a, what size pot are you, please? 45-gram pot of Dream Cream body lotion. Now, I am a massive, massive fan of Dream Cream. It is a beautiful body lotion if you've got eczema, psoriasis, itchy skin, just sensitive skin in general. This is beautiful. What I would recommend if you guys have really sensitive skin is trying this out on a small segment of your skin just to see if you have any reaction, because obviously I don't want to recommend you guys something if you could be allergic or anything. But this is so gentle, so beautiful. Ingredients wise in this one, we have oat milk, which is really great for soothing the skin. You also have olive oil, rose water, cocoa butter, rose absolute, chamomile blue oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil, and it's just beautiful. So I'll open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what Dream Cream looks like. It's a beautiful kind of, it's quite a thick texture. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. It's a very kind of buttery texture. It is so beautiful, and the smell, oh, it just smells absolutely amazing. It's a really relaxing smell. It's very lavendery, like chamomile-y, you know those microwave bags that you put in the microwave bags that have like the rice in them? Do you guys know what I mean? You usually get them in like a teddy or something and you put them in the microwave. That's what this smells like. So nostalgic, so gentle. Honestly, it's amazing. So if you have dry skin, like I said, this is absolutely beautiful and I highly recommend it to anybody with sensitive skin. So yeah, Dream Cream, great start, fabulous choice. Okay, moving on to the next item, we have this one. This one is definitely a bottle, so I'm very excited. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here we have dun-ba-da-da, Happy Hippie shower gel. Again, another classic. I really like Happy Hippie. It's not necessarily one of those shower gels that I feel I need to constantly have in my collection. I finished up a bottle of this not so long ago and I did really enjoy it. It's very fresh. I believe it's got grapefruit in it. Let me read the ingredients. So we have, yes, grapefruit water, pink grapefruit infusion. We have fresh grapefruit. Okay, it's a lot of grapefruit. Grapefruit juice, grapefruit oil, bergamot oil. I didn't realise it had basically just grapefruit in it, but let's give it a smell. Yes, it's definitely grapefruity. Oh, it's so good. It's incredibly fresh. I know that my friend Kelsey, this is her absolute favourite, and I do really like it. It's a very summery kind of vibe. It's more, this will be perfect for when I go on holiday, so I'm actually going to take this with me. I'm popping to Devon, just popping there, in June, which, yes, I will be vlogging, by the way, so I'm very excited about that, but this is something that I would take with me 100% on holiday, so yeah. I love that. So fresh, so clean. It isn't necessarily a very moisturising shower gel, but it's definitely one that if you want to get in the shower and have a proper clean and feel really, really fresh and kind of nice, which I suppose is why you have a shower in the first place, this is beautiful. So yeah, I highly recommend this. If you've not tried it and you like fruity smells, this is really, really good. I'm having so much fun filming this. I really don't want it to end, but we're moving on to the next product. Okay, the next item we have this tiny little one, and we're going to open it up and see what's inside. It's actually quite scary putting your hand in a bag and not knowing what's in there. But anyway, we have, okay, I believe this is a shower bomb. I am just going to check actually because I'm not sure, I've never had this product before. So yes, this is the Not Sleepy Shower Bomb, and it says showers of sparkling citrus, and ingredients wise, we have got cream of tartar, lemongrass oil, lemon myrtle oil, petitgrain oil, neroli oil, Brazilian orange oil, lime oil, and water. So let's give it a smell. Okay, this smells like You've Been Mangoed. So do you remember You've Been Mangoed? Honestly, the original formula of the body bath melts were my favourite. When the melting marshmallow was huge and the You've Been Mangoed was like a block. Oh, amazing. But this is what that smells like. Really fresh. I just blew dust everywhere. If I'm going to be honest, I'm not the most biggest fan of the shower bombs. I find that they are kind of like a one-use wonder thing, and I feel like for about £3 is quite expensive. However, I'm definitely going to give it another try because it does smell amazing. Oh, so citrusy and yummy. Delish. Love that. And last, but definitely not least, we have this one. Feels bath bomby. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, okay, this is one of my faves. So this is the Toby's Magic Cow, and I'm just having a look at the ingredients so I can tell you guys what's in it. So this one has popping candy, Brazilian orange oil, patchouli oil, coconut milk powder, water, cornstarch, and citric acid, and I think that's basically it. So I actually really like this one, surprisingly, even though it has patchouli in it, which is some of the things I don't like in Lush, has patchouli in it. But the coconut milk, that went right up my nose. The coconut milk makes it... Okay, this smells like Milky Bath, actually, which smells amazing. Although, apparently Milky Bath and Aquamarina smell the same. I beg to differ because that's seaweed, not my fave. But this smells really good. It's a very fresh smell. It's got a very kind of Dove bath, like bubble bath, like soft, gentle, very old-fashioned kind of smell. Like your nan's bathroom. That's how I would describe it. Super fresh, light, delicate. And I love the fact it's got all the colours, but the smell is still really gentle because not everybody wants to have a really strong scented bath bomb, but still wants to experience all the colours, which I love. So that is that one. I absolutely love it. I'm a real big fan of that. Smells delish. So yum. So that is everything which the Lush employee decided to give me for my haul video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do like this kind of series on my channel, do let me know down below in the comments, and if you can think of anybody else to do my Lush haul. Also, I had Jacqueline Forbes do my Lush haul actually, I forgot about that. So yeah, if you want anyone else to do my Lush haul, let me know, comment it down below, whether that be a family member, a friend, anything like that, do let me know down below. But I am going to go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!